Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez tout bien. Bienvenue dans mon cours de français. In this class, we will begin with the counting. So, in the counting, what we call the counting in French, where as I have written here in English, the numbers. But in French, we call it les nombres. Les nombres. I have used here the article the for the plural form because here we have the S. So the numbers is plural, that is why we use here the article the of the plural les. Okay, let's begin with the numbers. We'll start from the number 0. Okay, so what we call the number 0? 0. We call it 0. Don't give the sound of j. It's a z, like measure and pleasure. Here the sound we got the z. That sound we hear the z. 0. Then I have written this word in Hindi because in Hindi it gives the exact pronunciation. Do you remember that in the last classes when we done the alphabets, we have done the word we have done this word just simply put a dot here and give the nasal sound. Instead of give the sound of so this is 0. For 2 we have do. For 3 we have throa. Don't give sound of r in this. Some people say that throa. It's not a throa. When we listen it in the French or when a francophone person speak the word 3, then there is no sound of r. They just say throa. In the flow the sound will be throa. Then again here we have quatre. Again here we have the word r, but again the same formula we have used here. Don't give the exact sound of r. Here also when we say the quatre in the flow, we don't get the sound of r in a very precise way, such as in if I call it quatre, don't say it quatre. Don't I mean to say stretch the sound of r. Just make it very a few. Just it seems like that you are saying that, but doesn't stretch it too much. So it should be quatre. Quatre. Okay. Then again is the 5, and for the 5 we have the word cinq. Here this is for the 5. Cinq. For 6, simply same spelling as of English. We have here the word 6, but we call it in the French six. Six. For 7, we use here the word sept. As in Punjabi, we use the word, we pronounce the 7 as a sat. So, in the French, we call it sept. Then, HUIT, this is for the word 8. Remember that here, HUIT, there is no sense of spellings and how it comes this word we. So if we talk about in English, if we start from the word alphabets, okay, then for H we use ash, for U, for I is a E and T is a te. So there is no sound like that. It seems like the 8th wonder of the world. Okay, so here HUIT, and what it sounds in the French, it sounds we. Although I have written here a small th here for the sound of th, but when you listen it from the listenings, then there is no sound of th. It just simply say that we. Okay, we. For 9 it's a nuff, and for 10 it's a these. I hope that you got it. I'll repeat it for you so that in a flow, so that you got it properly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and these. Got it? I hope that this will help you to learn the numbers easily. D'accord pour aujourd'hui. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.